Your guy in the person, the fill-up person, can be La Quifa.
I'm La Quifa. Oh my God, there's stuff peeing out.
Why is there a hole there to pee?
Cleaning my shoes.
The sidewalk is peeing.
The sidewalk is a penis.
The sidewalk is peeing.
My shoes got peed on.
It's peeing. Did too. Krista, did the sidewalk just pee?
Demand a hoe. Demand a hoe.
Demand help. I'll reply to that too if you call me that. It's sad.
Don't judge the noises that are coming from the mobile device. It's just a really... Ew, bugs. We are going
Well, what the fuck, Dale Street? I live on Dale Street. What the hell?
What?
No, is that...
That's Dale Road. You live on Dale Street.
Up. We need to go to Walgreens and buy chalk.
We're gonna buy chalk. We should take that couch with. Mom, look, I got a new couch. It's reclined too.
What?
Everything is free. Even I'm free. I'm free. Oh my God, I love that house.
I cost money. I'm not free. Krista's standing on the corner and she said she's free.
A bug flew on me.
Hey, Chase.
Chase, you guys are coming to McFarland tonight, right?
Krista is standing on the corner and she's free.
Hurts. You guys are coming to McFarland tonight, right?
Probably not.
Why not?
Why?
We got a car taken away.
No, we didn't.
Go to Babcock on your own.
I can't.
I'll stalk you.
Get Jake to drive you guys.
Not bad.
I'll stalk you. I'll just...
We will pay for gas money.
I'll like sit there in a tree and just watch you and you won't know I'm there because I'm so ninja.
I hear a car.
Oh shit, car's gonna hit
I
us.
see a car.
I smell pizza. Bitch, you got pizza in that car?
That's like the biggest house.
Holy shit.
I love that house. That one.
No!
That means he's coming to McFarland.
Oh really?
That means he's on his way to McFarland. If he's getting off the phone, that means he must be coming to McFarland. Look at that house.
Really?
That is my future
lying
house.
to me? You don't know? No? Oh really?
La la la. Chase, say hi.
Chase, say hi.
What?
Say hi.
Bye.
Say hi.
Bye.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
You are not posting this shit on YouTube, child.
I am.
I'll flag it.
All 3 minutes. Say bye. Bye.
My face, you're not putting that on there.